Hello guys, for today's video, nagluto ako ng giniling. Giniling guys. Today is May day? May 5? May 4. May 4 ba? May 5. Tingnan ko nga. Today is May 5 guys. While nagluto ako, my baby is crying, no? Wait, nak. Malapit na si mama, nak. Yeah, ganito kayami, no? Ang aking giniling. Ayan, guys. Pag maginiling ako guys, nilalagyan ko ng laurel. Ito, dahon ng laurel. Ito guys, yan. Yan. Nilalagyan ko ng ganyan. Yee! Ready to eat na. Ready na ito. Ulam for today hanggang gabi na to guys. Ulam namin hanggang gabi. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time.